I'm Tyler Johnson. It's my honor to introduce tonight's community hero. Orphaned as a baby in Romania, diagnosed with mental disabilities, unable to walk or talk, little Sara Robinson had few options, until she was adopted at the age of 2. This lifeline gave her a strong foundation to grow and conquer her challenges, ultimately graduating high school with honors. Today, Sara speaks for those who can't, as an advocate for disabled children, successfully creating the Florida Disability History and Awareness Act, and volunteering countless hours to her heroes, junior achievement. Sara's determination to overcome her disabilities and her doubters gives her the passion to inspire others facing similar circumstances and leading them to triumph in the same way. That's a hero. That's Sara Robinson. Before the game, it was our privilege to present a $50,000 Lightning Grant to her designated charities: Junior Achievement, the Central Florida Autism Institute, and the Falls Adventure. Please welcome tonight's community hero, Sara Robinson.